We're live.
We're live. Hi, everybody. We're live. We're back. We're back here in the store. No more gallivanting around Texas like we were last week, Jeannie and I at market. Keely from Silver with a Kiss, in case you're like, who's this crazy person popping up on my Facebook Live feed. Here to tell you about more happenings here. We've got a lot going on, a lot to tell you about today. When we were here last, 2 weeks ago, when I was showing you the Rowan launch, we were still in the process of getting all the Rowan yarns on the shelf. Remember, I just finished waxing the floors and we were in a mess, but we finally have it all together. Jeannie might show them the whole wall of Rowan here. Yeah, this is just part of the Rowan. We had the stuff in the middle already done. But one of the things that we had yet to do was the Kid Silk Haze. I was showing you guys the new magazine and they now have 81 colors. Well, here they are. Is that not crazy? We actually have 83 colors. I think we still have a little stock on 2 that they've discontinued, but gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, look at all those colors. 83 colors we have of Kid Silk Haze and a whole magazine that half of it is all about celebrating it. So there are so many patterns to pick from. In fact, here's one sample that we just got in that Jennifer made for us. This is the bee wrap. This is out of the Kid Silk Haze color that they introduced this spring. Isn't it pretty? If you want something light and airy and simple, mindless knitting, this is the piece for you. It calls for 3 balls, but honestly 2 I think was plenty. It was big enough with just 2. I don't know, usually it's the other way around. Usually you need more yarn, but not for this one. So it turned out super nice, super easy. And the Kid Silk Haze color is over here. It wouldn't fit over there. Can't imagine why with 81 colors. And this is the color that she used. It comes in a bigger ball. It's in a 50-gram skein. That's why you just need 2, where the regular Kid Silk Haze comes in the 25-gram balls. So that's our Rowan. Most excitingly, if you got our newsletter, you've seen this. Jeannie and I have launched part 1 really of a fall collection for crochet. We did a spring one, last spring, 2 springs ago. It takes a lot of work to get one of these collections out and photographed and all of that. This one we've actually got it done, in June? But we thought, who wants to look at coats in June? So we've just been kind of sitting on it until fall. We've had it ready for a while, but I'll show you the different pieces. Put my note there. I'm going to lose my note, aren't I? No, I am. Okay, let me look here. We'll start with this one. This is called Ease. And this is just a big oversized piece. You can see we've got it on the model here too. Isn't that fun? This is not hard, crocheters. Even if you're a newer crocheter, you can make this. It's just a big T-shaped cardigan. It's out of Mordal. All of our crochet designs feature Rowan Yarns because we are a Rowan flagship store and we love Rowan. So that one is called Ease. I'm trying to remember where I put them all.
It's the other way.
Here's the coat.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a 2-piecer. This is, the coat is Chill and it's with brushed fleece. And then the topper, the little shoulder wrap is called Cozy. Let's see, there they are again on the model and then on my mannequin. They look so nice on the model. I have to show you guys my hair. I've got pictures in the back too. Look how nice she looks in that. Gail did good. He's a good photographer. Yes, and so that is Chill and Cozy. You know what I called them? Yeah, can't remember. It's been so long. We've been sitting on these for a while, like I said. And then this is the cardigan that we did called Stripey, and this is with Alpaca Classic. And we do everything in 2 colorways. Like there it is in Jeannie colors. Here it is in Keely colors. You like it? And the coat, we also did it in brown. You saw it in the picture, but here it is in real life person. And this little wrap, this cowl on the top. Look at it really kind of close. This is crochet. This is all crochet. This is out of Big Wall. But if you didn't know any better, you'd think we did brioche stitch, wouldn't you? It feels like brioche. It looks like brioche. It's not brioche knitting. It is crochet. Pretty cool, huh? Jeannie and I love doing cool stuff for you guys. So these have all launched now. You get your pattern downloads on Ravelry or just give us a shout. We can get them for you as well. We don't have pattern downloads on our website right now. Long story. More about that later. But we do have the patterns in the store and their individual downloads. Or like I said, we'll print off a copy for you. We're really excited about our collection. We approach crochet a little bit differently. For one, I've got the knitting background, the knitting design background. So we kind of throw that in there. But our patterns are very clear. Crochet is so wordy, and we've gone to so much trouble to make sure that it's clear. I have charts to help you keep track of where your stitches are supposed to be. for each size. No one else is going to do that for you, are they, Jeannie? No, nobody. I mean, we go all out. See, here's some more. You know, lots of pictures. You know, so there's pictures. If we're not, you know, we think you might need to know something special. We do a lot of pictures and everything. So we find them, we hope you find them very doable, because we have really poured over every little bit of instruction to see how we can make it as clear as possible, because crochet is, to me as a knitter, not clear, because it's just wordy. Oh, this is what I do. I don't know what you do, but this is how I do. You know, it's like, I'm like, what is that supposed to mean? I ask a lot of, don't I, Jeannie? Ask a lot of questions. Why do you do it this way? Well, I don't know. Well, we're going to find out. So we really, I have really kind of tacked crochet from a totally analytic knitter brain. And so I think as whether you're a knitter who likes to crochet, or if you're just a crocheter forever, you'll appreciate what we've done with that. Okay, now see, on the hope I was going to lose my note. I think I remember what we're doing. We're going back here now. We got more to talk about. Oh, there's my note. I lost it. See, that's why Jeannie. I've been busy. We've been kind of getting the store flipped around a little bit. With our new arrangement, we don't have so much flipping to do, but we've been trying to put out more fall samples. This is one Jeannie just finished. Do you remember the name of it? It's a Stephen West.
Stephen West, and
it's brioche, and we don't remember the name. We'll post it.
Yeah.
We'll have to go and look. We haven't got tags or anything on him yet. They've just been laying in my office, and I thought, well, you know, maybe we should put this out. That might be nice. Yeah. So we've tried to make the store look a little more fall with our sample arrangement. Speaking of fall, we have new bags. Trade places with me, Jeannie, because I think they're all facing the other way.
They are.
Okay, so new bags from Chala. These came in last week, and they were so cute. These are the wallets. We'll zip around wallets like the dragonfly and the cardinal. We have other styles of these, but these are just new ones or reorders. These are the cutest little bags. Look at them. They look really a little Westy. And again, this would be a nice little just small purse or a little project bag, like for soccer setting. And their bags are wonderful. Look, it has really nice lining and a zip pocket and a pocket. And there's a pocket on the back. See, we noticed these things. These pockets. Is that just an old? Are we getting old? Oh, there's a long strap too. Jennifer's here motioning to me. Not this one. This one has a strap? No, it must be
I don't think.
This one.
Oh, yeah, it's on the side.
Duh! Yes, it has a long strap. Thank you, Jennifer. Jennifer paid us attention. Yeah, but we noticed pockets. I don't know if it's just because we're getting elderly and pockets are important, but.
Yeah, but if you're using it for a knit bag, you
we're
need
just
pockets.
Practical.
Yeah.
You know, I just need to get where it says, my pants have pockets. Maybe I sound like grandma. Okay, now these are really fun. These are like little really messenger size bags, and they come in different colors. And these have little metal key fobs. That one's a feather. This one has a cat. And I love this one with the sunflower. Isn't that cute? Those are fun. We had the big totes with the cats and stuff, and they've changed the style. They don't have that style anymore. But we love this one. It's not quite as big, but still has, look, this is the cool part. You can put your stuff behind the cat. And there's a zip pocket or snap pockets on either side. So we're up to 3 pockets just on the outside. And then you go inside, and here's the long strap. And inside this bag are more pockets. Pocket. There's a big zip pocket here. So really no cute. Lack of pockets on this bag. And again, there's the longer strap if you want to carry it that way instead of by the handle. And we have the cat. This is a new style. This is the sea turtle. And again, he's a little pocket. That just makes me so happy. They make you have a little hidden pocket, the bicycle, and then of course the cardinal. The cardinal's really been a popular style for us. And then we have this new tote here with the hummingbird, and again, it's going to have pockets. Hi. Hold on. Thank you. Important stuff. I think that's for my husband. Oh, we won't talk. You have to come for some of these stories in person.
Husbands.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this one has a snap pocket here, and a snap pocket here, and a zip top. I know these things are important. And I think it's just like the other tote, and it has the zip and then the open pockets as well. This one, because it's more of a tote, it does not have the long strap, which is cool. Nice bag. I say we have other styles too of these, but these are all the new ones that have come in that we wanted to show you. And speaking of more new stuff that's come in, if I don't run over Jeannie, move over here. This is part of our Vegas haul that's still trickling in from M. Rena. Jennifer, what happened to the leggings? Did we put them all out?
Yes.
Would you go get them so I can show them, please? We have some. We don't want to miss anything. But these are in Marina. This is the brand that we picked up while in Vegas. And these tops are so nice. This is called an oil wash, and it just feels great. I love this neckline. And this is the French terry, similar neckline. And it kind of has those unraveled edges, kind of a sweatshirt look. My mom would have really liked this. This would have been a sherry top. Oh yeah, she would. That would have been totally my mom. All these would. It's like I'm buying from my mom. She's not even here anymore. But yeah, the unraveled things, she would have loved that. It's just comfortable. My mom was into comfortable. That's kind of important. And then this is we had this top before. Is this new? These Jennifer's been
I'm
steaming
just
more.
steaming.
I think
These
she's
are the
just
two new
steaming.
tops, so that's
Yeah.
okay. We can show. This is the sustainable top that we had in the gauze. I think that's really pretty. And then of course this one, I think I've shown you this before, and it's
Yeah.
also in the oil washed, like the green one, except it's a button up. And then now the leggings are all coming in to go with them, and they look so nice. You know, you can mix them with different colors. And they're leggings, they have tummy control, they fit really nice. They're really a good quality, and they're nice prints that aren't just, you know, too much. I mean, look at these with that. Is that not cute?
There's a Jeannie outfit.
There's a Jeannie outfit right there, Jeannie colors.
Yep.
And like I said, I like them because it's got like a floral print, but it's really subdued.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one goes good with that lime green top, or go with this one too, or the brown one. Check it out. This goes with a lot. Look at that. Cute,
Very
cute.
cute.
Yeah, but you can just tell these are nice. You know, the fabrics on all of these just feel really, they feel really expensive to me, but they're not. They're all, you know, at a good price. And even these leggings, I mean, the fabric, this is the tummy part. It's going to keep you where it needs to be. You don't need any Spanx with this. And it's just a nice, really thick material. So we're real excited that these are here. What else is on my list? I have more stuff on my list. Let's see. We've been busy. We have a lot going on. I've been super busy. I'm hoping next week I can fill you guys in on what all I've been working on. It's crazy. Oh, you might have got our flyer if you're on our mailing list, or you might have seen on social media. Our fall event is here. We have been planning this event for over a year, haven't we?
Yes.
We were going to do it last year, but the dates and everything, it just didn't work out. We had too many other, back then we were doing some more of the remote events. Remember some of the Rowan designers, they did Eric and Knight event that bumped this, but that was okay because they missed last year. This is this year where we feel a little more comfortable about getting out of the house. And so now we have a ghouls night out. We love Halloween events. You pick what house, have a little house system, kind of Harry Potter-esque. What house are you? Pick your yarn company, and everybody who comes gets a little bag that has all sorts of theme stuff to go with it. There will be a pattern, a custom designed shawl pin to go with each house. I'll show off the pattern soon. We're going to get all of our house scarves together because we've got a little house scarf pattern. There's not yarn included with it. We were going to do it that way, but it just got kind of pricey for everybody to come, and we didn't want to do that. So it's kind of a add your own yarn. And so you can pick your favorite yarn because your favorite may be a little yarn, or someone else might want a big yarn. And so that way you can make this house scarf out of any yarn, and we've got lots to pick from. You can pick your favorite. Or just we use whatever. And so like all of our parties, we'll have good things to eat and a good time. And this one is filling up. So I expect to have a full house like back pre-pandemic level number of people at this party because it is going to be a lot of fun. We're gonna have trunk shows on hand from all the different yarn companies. They're all sending us some cool little extras to go in your bag. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're looking forward to it. We haven't had a big party. You know, I've had a few, but they've been, here and there. But I think this is gonna be our big fun party. I think that's all I've got this week. Jeannie, can you think of anything else?
Not right offhand.
Okay. Well, hopefully next week will be one of those big reveal and talk about what all I've been up to and why my eyes are crossed and why I'm so tired. I'm always working on something, aren't I?
That you
See,
are.
I'm paying for all that travel I did this summer. You guys thought I just never came to work. Paying for it now. Well, honestly, I could not have worked on all that this summer. You know, I needed, things have to happen when things have to happen, and I didn't have, I was just relaxing ahead of time. But now I'm tired. That's okay. I get to go to LA in a few weeks, so I'm looking forward to that. Okay, I guess that's all, everybody. I guess I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye, y'all.